Are you guys ready to go or what? Jeez. Come on. Sometime today. What are you waiting on? Christmas?
Lex, you want to go look at plants?
What airplane want us to do?
Lex, you want to go look at some plants?
Yeah.
As you guys can see, it is a gorgeous day. It's Easter Sunday. It's just Mark, Lexi, and I. We celebrated our big blended family Easter yesterday. So we're just kind of hanging out at the house. We got some things done earlier today. And now we're gonna go to Shaw Nature Reserve, which is close by our home, about 20 minutes from here. In Gray Summit, Missouri. Or, as I described it to Mark, we're gonna walk around and look at plants.
Well, Dora, where are we going today? Got your backpack? Backpack.
All right, let's go take some pictures of plants.
Backpack.
Oh, backpack.
Look at the field of daffodils. It's pretty, huh? Don't step on them.
Look at Mom.
Pretty.
Me and Dad's picture?
Yeah. Wait, I can't really like see you.
You gotta come closer, doofus.
Now what?
You take pictures?
Now what? Click this button.
Lexi, look, don't scare the buffalo.
Buffalo.
Don't scare them.
Baby buffalo.
I'm not animal.
Lex, you want your picture with the baby buffalo?
Sure. This is the one that you guys go on?
I've never been over here. This is about ponds. Look, honey, remember our tree quiz? This one's a white oak. You know how I know that? Because these all have cheat sheets. Honey, is that cheating? Look, there's a little chipmunk in the wall.
Yep, see?
You see him, Lex? He's peeking his little head out. He's so cute. Oh my goodness. Lexi wants to come see what's in this cute house.
That's where the witch lives.
I can't go inside. Mark said that's where the witch lives.
It's called witch hazel. Coincidence? I think not.
You pick in first. What's in there?
It's like gardening stuff, Lex.
I want to see.
Gardening stuff is in there.
Who's looking at my house?
No witches. Say, Dad, there's no witches in there. heard a woodpecker.
Maybe it's over there.
If you're in the St. Louis area, I definitely think that the Shaw Nature Reserve is worth going to. It only costs $5 per adult. You do have to currently make reservations online, but it was super easy to do. And then you just check in at the window when you get there. And yeah, I totally think it was worth it. It would be a great place to come for a photo shoot as well. Honey, we found some deer on our way out. Look how cute they are. You see them, Lex? Little white tails. Oh, they see us. Ooh, they see us. We've been spotted. Bye, dear.
Bye, dear.
And that is going to be it for this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up if you did, because it helps my channel grow and I appreciate it so much. And subscribe if you want to see more. We will see you guys again next time. Stay tuned. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope that you have an amazing day. Bye-bye.